Hello, welcome to Artistic Adventures by Rosie, where creativity knows no bounds. Today, we are diving into the world of 3D printing, where imagination comes to life at the push of a button. With the power of technology and a sprinkle of artistic flair, I am crafting a unique dough that's not just functional but a piece of art in its own right. As the layers stack up, I am reminded of the endless possibilities that 3D printing offers. Each intricate detail tells a story of innovation and craftsmanship. From concept to creation, this door embodies the fusion of technology and artistry. It's a testament to the boundless creativity that fuels my passion for exploration. Join me on this journey of discovery as we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible in the world of art and technology. Until next time, keep creating and dreaming. Step into my world where every project is a journey of inspiration and innovation. As the printer hums to life, I can't help but feel a sense of excitement. Each layer brings us closer to witnessing the manifestation of imagination. Thank you very much.